Morning guys, I'm just doing a blackhead mask and put my hair up. Little coffee wants some attention. Okay, I've just gotten ready to start homeschooling with Aiden. He's just practicing his letters, his alphabets and his sounds, phonics. Then we're going to start homeschooling. E, F, G. Yeah, chill day today. I don't have anything planned. There's a couple of products that I want to try. There's this like Maybelline tattoo thing that I bought for the eyebrows. I want to try that, and then it's a really chill day. Yesterday I went to the Chinese supermarket, which I'll put in now. I've just gotten back from the Chinese supermarket, so I'm just going to quickly run through the things that I bought. I didn't buy as much as I wanted to. It wasn't as fully stocked as it was previously. There was a lot of things that were missing. I wanted wonton pastries and they had none, and then there was a lot of other things that I went for but they didn't have any, but oh well. So I got some enoki mushrooms, spring onions, Yakult for Aiden. My mum never used to buy me this because she said it was too expensive. So now when Aiden says he wants, I make sure that I buy him it so that he doesn't grow up with a memory like mine. Chili bean sauce, hoisin barbecue sauce for making roast pork, coconut milk, Aiden snacks. He got this one. He got another biscuit as well, but he had that in the car. And he also got these. These are like these corn sticks. So actually it's corn roll and he loves these. So those are his snacks. I got some bubble tea. This is the one that I use. It's just 5 minutes in boiling water and then it's ready. Aiden, can you turn it down a little bit more please? I got this noodle. It's one of my favourites. Got some new Shaoxing wine because I was out. I haven't had any of this wine for a while. I got some black fungus. I like to have this with Chinese mushrooms and chicken. I've got some brown sugar pieces. This is the stick ones. 2 packs of Shin ramen noodles. I don't really stock up on these when I go to the Chinese supermarket because I can get these locally, so if I want more I can just go out and buy some. And my Morrisons also sell it as well for a similar price, so I don't buy too many because it just takes up space. Glutinous rice rolls. Aiden loves baos and he also loves glutinous rice, so I thought I'd let him try this. Got some chicken siu mais, pork and chive dumplings. These are lobster flavoured balls. Glutinous rice balls. Gonna put that into some black rice pudding later. These are quite good, these noodles. What I'm gonna do is boil these noodles and then make my own sauce with like peanut butter, chili oil and hoisin sauce. And then I got 2 packets of udon noodles just to keep in the fridge. It's good for stir fries. I've got some Chinese spinach. It's called po toy. It's like long spinach. And then I got some headless shell on easy peel king prawns to go in the freezer so that when I want to cook I can just cook these. And I didn't realise how big they were. I thought they were like little prawns, but they're actually massive. But I'm gonna have this with like steamed garlic king prawns with vermicelli and also tomato egg king prawns. That would be really good for dinner. Yeah, so this is my kind of like little, it's a lot less than I would normally buy haul. So other than that, I don't have any plans today. It's actually a really nice chill day. I might use this time to declutter some stuff, although I do want my declutter videos to be just a declutter video, not like a vlog. I want it to be like quite specific, so I might save that for tomorrow or next week or something. But yeah, I'm just gonna vlog today and see what happens, see what the day brings. It's a nice chill day. Just gonna make some black rice pudding. I have it on my Instagram food page if you want to know. Homeschooling. Might watch a movie. Do you want to watch a movie, Aiden?
When?
Tonight?
Okay.
Yeah, and then yeah. Yeah, I might do a little bit of decluttering, but not like majorly. It's raining outside as well, or else I would have gone to the post office, but I'll save that for tomorrow. It's like literally pouring down. So it's an at-home day today. Is that okay, Coffee? Is that okay? You gonna give me a kiss? Good job, my blackhead mask is like nearly dry. Put it on this morning, it's been on for like over an hour now. So it's ready to be peeled off. Making some black rice pudding. I have the recipe on my Instagram food page already. If you want to check it out. Today I'm having a really simple lunch, really quick. Shin ramen. I haven't had this for ages because I didn't have any left. Yes, darling?
Lego World.
Oh, Lego World. Cool. This looks cool. I love it. And then I have some meatballs and dumplings mixture in there, which I'm going to put in, and then some Chinese spinach. Really simple. Edmund's already had his lunch. Yeah, that's where it's come from. Yeah. My coffee machine has broken, so I'm gonna take that downstairs and then put it in the recycling bin later. So I've actually had quite a few parcels come through this week, and the the postman came just now again. There's been quite a lot of Lunar New Year packages because it is Chinese New Year in 2 weeks. So I've been getting the limited edition packaging kind of products. So this is from Harrods Beauty. It's by Fresh. I've never ever tried Fresh, but I know that my sister uses it, and I know that a lot of people use it. It's like a good brand that's well known for their skincare. I've never tried it, so I'm looking forward to trying it. Look how gorgeous this packaging is. This is the black tea overnight mask. This is the black tea corset face and neck cream, and then I have the facial treatment essence. I want to show you the packaging because it is so pretty. There's other things that I've received as well, but they're not as pretty as these ones. Look how gorgeous that packaging is. It's glass, so it feels so luxurious as well. This is really pretty. It's a facial treatment essence. I wonder if it's the similar kind of thing to the SK2 one. I'm really looking forward to trying this one out. I just finished my Elemis Rose Cleansing Balm. I really liked this. This one is nice. I absolutely love it when I start a new candle. This one is a neon luxury scented candle. I've got this in a Advent calendar, which is I think it was the Grazia Glossy Box one. That was a really good Advent calendar. It was so good. It had so many nice things. So yeah, starting a new fresh candle. Starting a new fresh candle, darling. Even though I haven't lit it yet, it's so strong. I can really smell it. I love neon candles. They're such good quality. Sit down.
Great, thanks.
Gentle. Stay.
Hello? Hi.
Good girl.
We're moving in
Sit
down
down.
the street.
Come here. Sit down. Stay. Poppy, stay.
What's a different one?
Stay.
Mama.
Good girl. Come on.
Mommy, give me one with this one, Daddy, what?
Yeah, you can watch that one if you want. Stay. Good girl. Who's
I
a good
know which
girl?
one to watch.
Who's a good girl? Let me push you. Let me push your face. Good girl. Good girl. Stay. Good girl. She'll get a snack in a minute. Get a treat. Go on then. Eden, can you get coffee a treat, please? It's at the bottom. Get it, coffee. Where's the treat? Get it. Come here. Come here. Come here. This is why I'm so glad I have a short pile rug now.
Mama.
Because she used to get crumbs in the fluffy rug all the time. Yes, darling?
I'm trying this one.
What, you want to watch that one?
I don't know.
Go on then, you press it. You can watch what?
What? This one, this one, this one, or this one?
You can watch whichever one you want. Totoro is Mummy's favourite.
Corey.
Totoro.
This one.
Long Mao.
Wow. Okay, you can watch it then, you can watch it.
What do you want to watch?
No, I don't like this anymore.
What? Pick one that you like then.
No, you can watch this because I know this is your favourite.
Oh, thank you. Such a big boy now. I've just spent all afternoon doing this oil pastel.
Cool.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can have it if you want.
Yay.
It took me like 3 hours nearly. Just because this black bit took a really long time. I've literally just sealed it with hairspray. Eden can have it. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
A lot? Yeah? He keeps asking if he can have it. Mr. Eden Lee, I can see you.
Getting you. You're not gonna get me. Ink wall! Ink wall! Your box is tiny bit broken. Who matters? Yes! No!
Bye bye.
Right, you think you go. Not going anywhere, you think?